y'all, welcome back to my channel. Are you okay?
No.
Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing great. Today I'm going to be trying out a ponytail. My hair is already stretched out. I cut my ends a little bit. It's not perfect. It needs to be cut professionally, but I just cut a little bit off. So yeah, I have my hair blow dried out. I used this blow dryer that my mom got from Sally's and it was decent. 8 out of 10. Anyway, today I want to try a braided ponytail. So yeah, this is my first time trying it. If you like my glasses, I got them from Firmoo. I have a discount code that will be in the description box below. But yeah, these are my glasses. I've had these for about 3 years now. It's probably been about 4 years since I had these glasses. I just got one pack because this is my first time. I don't really know what I'm doing. I got it in 1B. I also have a bunch of supplies because I never did this before and I really don't know what I'm doing. So I have this. What is this? This is a hair stick by Bedhead. I have Got to Be, and this one, the freeze spray, blow dryer, these little wrap strips, and some hair bows, and I got a few brushes, honestly, because I don't know what kind of brush I'm gonna need. Also got some edge control and the same edge control that I always use, and this edge brush. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, are you okay? So, I'm thinking this is a good spot. This is a good spot for a little braid. So I can definitely say that postpartum did a number on my edges, like, yeah. But it is growing back. So my edges were really thin around here after I gave birth, and I pretty much just been using wild growth oil. I think the formula changed because it doesn't hit how it used to hit. So I'll use that or Jamaican black castor oil. You okay?
No.
She always say no, she not okay.
Okay.
All right, so yes, Lonnie. What? No, you can't have that. You want this?
No.
Well, that's it. That's the only thing you can have. All right, so I'm very nervous about using this. I need to test these brushes first. Okay, this one feel like it'll get me right. Okay, let's start in the back.
I'm going A, B, C, E, I, K, K. Hi. Hi, Papa.
I'm only doing like a little bit. I don't know if that's a little bit, but because usually when anything touches my hair, it's gonna curl right back up. That is not the goal that we're going for right now. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See you later. Now that I got it all up, I'm gonna start putting hair ties around it. But I'm gonna keep brushing with this one just to make sure all those lumps are out. Now I think I'm going to use the wax, and that's just to smooth it all out. Hopefully my hair don't turn white. I'm gonna spray just a little bit before I wrap it. When I say a little bit, that means I'm doing it on here. All right, so this hair already comes with a rubber band, so I'm about to tie it around my hair. And we need to have one hanging off somewhere because we're gonna use that later. And the rest has to get braided with my hair. So let's do it this way. So we'll have the braid, the weave in the back and my hair on the top. About to separate this hair into 3 sections so I can be able to braid it. So now it's technically in 4 sections. This one's we're gonna use later. We're gonna use this section later, and then these 2 and this one in the back is gonna be a part of the braid. Get it down here, and I'm pretty much just gonna tie this part with the hair tie. So we're gonna worry about that later. So now we have our braid. I can open it up a little bit. Let's see. You can start wrapping this extra piece that we had to the side. We'll start wrapping it around the braid, the top of the braid. So let's see. This is where this spray is gonna come in handy. So I'm just gonna spray the loose hair and wrap it around the root of the braid. Let's take this off so this is in my way. All right, So now it's time to get these ends together. And I think I want them to be curly. So let me get some hot water. Pretty much just gonna separate and wrap it with some flexi rods. So these are the size flexi rods I have. And I'm gonna cut the little stray pieces off after I curl it. So just wrap that around that. And then take another one and wrap it around the other end. Boom. All right, while I'm waiting on the hot water, let's do my edges. Try not to do too much with my edges because I don't have much to be doing all that with. And I feel like, I don't know, I think the dramatic edges are just a little overrated for me, on me. So I'd rather just do something that's like, you know, just a little swirl here and there, child. So yeah, I'm just securing the rest of the front of my hair. And I'm also gonna hit that neck. So now I'm about to try to add something to the braid, because obviously like the root part isn't as perfect as I wanted it to be. But it's my first time doing it, so it's not a big deal. So to distract myself from how it's looking, I'm going to, I think I'm gonna put these little pieces on here. I think these are so cute. Is it separate? Yeah. So I'm gonna open these up. Can you see that? Open these up and put it at the top of the ponytail. Alright y'all, so that concludes today's video. This was just me making or attempting this ponytail on myself. I've never done a braided ponytail before and I was really excited to try this out. Very inexpensive hairstyle, and we're gonna keep her for about a week. For next time, I'll probably either get another pack of hair or have like 2 packs of hair, or just try to get my hair a little bit more straight before I start braiding it in. Because it is a little chunky right here, but I don't mind it. I'm not going nowhere. I just want to do my hair. Cute little curl. Nothing too crazy. The hair doesn't feel like heavy or anything. I can even like wrap it like this if I wanted to. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.